Nah, but might pay to take your shoes off because we've got a bit of water to go through now, so you may as well carry them. Oh, there you are, Rick. Yeah. Might pay to take your shoes off and carry them, Jim, from here because it's a bit of water coming up. Yeah, that's why these are so good. Yeah.
Oh my God,
you're on your feet. It's up stone.
You're doing the right thing because you're going to get wet later on anyway.
Yeah. Yep, maybe roll your your trowel up a bit, Rick. Do you want me to take your shoes or something? Okay.
Twinkle toes, that's what they call them. Hey?
Oh, yeah, Bob. You okay?
Yeah. Slipped on a rock. Didn't feel a thing.
Woo.
Okay.
You right there?
It's a western roll.
It was well done.
I have to put those shoes on. I'm too hard on my feet.
There's a bit of sand up here.
No, not eat.
You could have, if you got a whole lot, you could eat.
No, this is tadpole.
No, but did you get many in the net?
No.
Can't
The
on.
crowd, the
Lie out, but.
What's that?
You would can't on.
We're okay now.
Okay na. Be careful there. Oh, hindi may fall there.
Yeah.
These would be potatoes, I'd say.
What are these, Jess?
They look like beans.
You know?
Doon say din yung siya.
Amazing to see their feelers go out in that condition. As if they've got inbuilt radar. Yeah, it takes a lot, doesn't it?